The Octotester Pro is finally here. Honestly, thank you all so much for the feedback. We've tried to integrate your suggestions into the release design, but the thing is, we only have 10 of these in stock. Because we are limited by the custom-made PCB we have designed for this model. So, while stocks last, here's a discount code to get you £10 off. All of the information in this video and more is covered in the Octotester Pro manual, available as a link in the description below. It covers how to use the tester, how to replace batteries, how to open, and safety disclaimers. To change the batteries, you must take off the rubber case and find the insertion point. You can gently pry open the tester, which exposes the batteries, and then you can slide out the battery holder to replace the batteries. I also thought it'd be good to include a quick overview on how to use the tester for those of you who are seeing this for the first time. So here it is.